the Nikon D3 with the 45 1.8. It's still a good amount of light, but just enough low light, kind of use the high ISO ranges, right above 500, 640, 800, 1000. But yeah, how it goes. So I'm gonna have to put this D3 on live view. First test shot. 1, 2, 3. We can just see what settings we need. This looks good already. The highlights are super blown out because I don't have a CPL filter on it, but we'll do what it works. I'll just have you stand right there again. So this is kind of like waist high, up the shutter speed. I am at ISO 400 at f1.8. There you go, great. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. All right, great. And then I'll just have you kind of just stand there and then kind of like twist your body and then just hold you up like that and then just twist it towards me. I just want to see, yep. Full body shot here. 1, 2, 3. We'll just park over here. I wonder if you can come up just a little. Move this out of the way. Just kind of like lean on this real quick, if you can. I think this should be good. And then just tilt your face up just a little bit towards that light a little bit more. Yep, there you go. Great. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Nice. All right. This is at 10 minutes, so you just hold that right there. I'm gonna do a full body. Here, 1, 2, 3. Great. All right. I'll go over there next time. We'll just go over here. More light right here. It's one of the most important things about shooting in low light is that you need a lot of light to work with. So I'll just have you, can you sit like right here? I just want to see. Yeah. Ooh, there's light that's dripping. 1, 2, 3. Just do a full body. Put your hands, do you have pockets? Yeah. Oh, it is? Yeah, do like that. And then go twist a little bit more. Yep, like that. And then just look towards me. Yep. Is that fine? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Great. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Just not gonna use live view because it takes too long, so y'all just gonna have to enjoy the show. 1, 2, 3. It's not too bad.
You like that?
Yeah. I'll just have you kind of like lean, like right here. Lean on it like that. Yep, I'm gonna be right over here. One, 2, 3. All right. Ooh, great. I'm gonna use the ISO 1250, as you guys can see here. Shutter speed 125. 1, 2, 3. Shoot it again. 1, 2, 3, and then Come over here a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. We're literally just walking like a couple 100 feet away from where we were. You want to shoot where there's a lot of light right here, so I'll just have you stand like right here, right underneath this. Yep. Actually, why don't you sit on this? Yep. There you go. Okay. Now I'm gonna need the live view for this because this is a lower shot. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Man, the D3's live view is amazing. Slow to focus, but it helps you frame your subject. And then just tilt your head like that. There you go. Great. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna boost it up to 2000 just to see. Okay, so this is ISO 2000. Now I'm just gonna come closer here. One, two, three. And should go to like 1/80th of a second shutter speed. Hold that, great. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's all. I think that's it. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. Yeah.